I cannot hear you. Okay. Yes.
Can you hear me?
I can hear you.
That trick always buys everybody. Okay, so we're
No,
back. So are we
no,
gonna do
no, no.
science?
I didn't fall for it. I didn't fall for it.
I know because everybody was talking, but if everyone was quiet, you probably might have like started doing something with your computer.
I think so, but I did it before. I did it before with Max. Lots of time.
So you already know the trick.
Yeah.
Okay. What is your recording working?
Yes.
Okay,
I
fine.
told you I changed the. If I change the path,
Hmm.
this.
It
Yeah.
doesn't save.
It's saved, but yes, if I change, but it's really weird because it's like it's desktop.
Hmm.
I really don't know the reason. Desktop. My computer have desktop, of course.
Correct.
Correct. In desktop,
It's supposed to
sub
just
sub
show there, right?
sub subcategories. Okay, okay.
Hmm.
Under the subcategories, I made a fold named by Mint.
Hmm.
It's really weird. I don't know if I designated these paths desktop in Mint.
Hmm.
It always failed. It doesn't save in desktop Mint folder. But if I change
I don't
another
get
path,
that one.
like desktop EJ folder,
Hmm.
in
It
it
works.
English, yes, English, in there Mint. Oh,
So it doesn't like
if
a
I
one
save this
way.
in this in desktop
Hmm. Hmm.
EJ English Mint, if I save in that path, it saved.
It works. That's weird.
It's
What
weird.
kind of
So
thing is?
yes, it's weird. I can't figure out. I haven't been able to figure out the reason yet.
Yeah, I don't know too. All right. Anyway, as long as you were able to figure out a way to save that, I guess we should be safe. But did you get my email?
Yeah, I did, and
Okay.
I found that my voice is a little unclear.
I
Are
think
you
not.
are you okay?
Uh, Yeah, I think it was fine yesterday. I did not notice anything
Okay.
weird about the audio. Yeah.
Okay.
Maybe it's just the copy. All right. So today we're going back with
Science.
science.
Hmm.
Okay. Let me upload the link. Here she is. Okay. Which one next?
I think we are still in lesson one or food
Lesson one.
chain.
That's right.
It's okay. Food chain.
Food chain, fast food chain. There you go. Oh, look at that. Food chain, the cycle of life. Okay. All right. You can start whenever you're ready.
Okay. All living things need energy in order to survive. They get their energy from the food that they eat. A food chain describes how different living things get the food that they eat. It describes the transfer of energy from one living thing to another. Food chains usually begin with plants and end with tiny living things called decomposers. What makes up a food chain? Plants are the start of every food chain. They produce their own food and energy. That is why they are called producers.
All
Uh,
right. Let's stop there. Okay. So can you describe what is a food chain?
Okay. The food chain, living things need to get energy from
Mm.
food. They start from plants and end up with tiny ones called discomposer.
Very good. So it starts from plants, it fades down to decomposers. So it starts with a physical material until it gets disposed and joins the earth again.
Mm.
Yeah, well done. What are decomposers?
Like the
What
tiny bio micro micro tiny super tiny like
micro? What's the second word there? Micro. That's two words.
I don't know to remember. I cannot come up with micro living. Okay.
No, starts with letter O. Mm.
No, organism.
Organisms.
Organism.
Yes,
Ah,
microorganisms. Okay.
okay.
Give an example of a producer.
Plants.
Plants.
Mm,
I think they're
by
always the
photosynthesis. Yes.
yeah, I think they're always the first in the food chain. Plants.
Mm.
Okay. All right, let's move on here. Please continue reading.
Animals are consumers because they do not make their own food and depend on plants and other animals for food. Herbivores are animals that only eat plants. They are called the primary consumers in a food chain because they are the first ones that consume plants for food. Some examples of herbivores are grasshoppers, caterpillars, rabbits, and zebras. Animals that eat the primary consumers are called the secondary consumers. They are also called carnivores because they only eat other animals. Animals that are hunted or eaten by animal, other
Others,
animals.
other animals, correct.
It's typo.
It's
Other
typo.
animals are called prey, while the ones that hunt or eat prey are called predators. Some examples of carnivores are foxes, sharks, and snakes.
Very good. All right. So what do we call living things that only consume plants? What do we
Herbivores,
call them? Herbivores. Very good. What about the ones that consume meat or
carnivores.
other animals? Carnivores. Okay, can you give me an example of a herbivore and one example of a carnivore?
Rabbit zebra. What
Okay.
was hopper?
Hop
Grasshopper.
or
Grasshopper.
grasshopper. Okay.
Grasshoppers,
Car
rabbit zebra, carnivores, foxes, snake,
yeah, snake. What else?
eagles.
Eagles. What do eagles eat? Have you ever seen an eagle eating?
No, I haven't, but just I heard from like the movies, some movies, or the dead bodies.
Yeah.
It,
We actually have a Philippine eagle. It's known to be an eagle who eats monkeys. We call it a monkey eating eagle.
only
His
dead
favorite,
monkey
yeah, his
or
favorite food is a monkey.
monkey?
Pretty weird. Okay, next question. Can you differentiate a prey from a predator?
Praise the first consumer
Very good. First
in
consumer.
the food chain. Yes, they are herbivore animals,
Very good.
and the predator is secondary consumer which is praise.
Hold on. It's a secondary consumer which is preyed.
Secondary consumer is predator. Prey is the
Yeah,
first consumer.
correct.
Predator is
So
praise.
predator
Carnivores.
is
It's praise.
carnivores and they eat the prey. Very good. That was fast. Okay, pretty easy. All right. We'll try to get here. I don't know if you're not yet done with this. We'll try to go back to this next class. Yeah.
Okay.
All right. Any questions so far?
So far, no.
So far, none. I have a question. I forgot. So, what are you? What do you consider yourself? Are you
Omnivores. Humans are omnivores.
yeah, well
Yeah,
done.
because we eat both of them.
So, what are you? A prey or a predator?
Of course. Oh, predator.
A predator.
Yeah.
Now, I think this will be discussed in the future lessons, but where do we fall under? Secondary? Or do you think
Oh,
there's a
human
tertiary?
human beings are definitely the apex
Well
of the
done.
food
So
chain. Yes.
you went in advance.
No,
Look at this.
that's actually that's step two. We already learned in
It's a
step two.
okay.
It's just repeated, but in detail.
See, I told you, teachers are not very familiar with this yet.
Yeah, I think you.
It's already finished. I was expecting it's going to be on the next lesson.
Oh, did you finish your examination?
Oh, it's done.
Oh, you get it batch then?
The results we will know on Friday.
Okay.
So I'm excited
But
too.
I am pretty sure you will. Congratulations in advance.
That's very advanced, but yeah, thank you. All right, I'll see you next class, Heather.
Okay, yeah.
Hmm. Are you sure? Okay. See you.
See you.